Today's highlights. DRDO spearheads R&D on next-generation fuel tank for Project Vishnu hypersonic missile as Scramjet engine testing concludes. Meprolight and RRP S4E launch state-of-the-art defense production line in India. ADA invites private firms to manufacture structural assemblies for aircrafts including LCA, AMCA and TEDBF. BAE Systems pitches ground robot to Australian Army. Rheinmetall and MBDA strengthen partnership to develop naval laser weapons. L3 Harris Viper Shield electronic warfare system for F-16s enters production. Lithuania and Northrop Grumman sign IFV ammunition pact. General Dynamics inks a $450 million contract for Austal to build out sub-facility. UAE's defense conglomeration Edge looks to space with new FADA entity. France claims world's first space-to-Earth laser communications. Edge Group and Brazilian Navy take major steps in MANSUP anti-ship missile development. Japan seeks new batch of T5 trainers. Let's have a look at the news in detail. DRDO is making strides in its pursuit of hypersonic missile technology, with Project Vishnu taking center stage. This endeavor, aimed at developing a state-of-the-art hypersonic cruise missile, has reached a critical juncture with the successful completion of Scramjet engine test and the commencement of research into advanced fuel tank technology. Project Vishnu is envisioned to lead to the development of two variants of hypersonic missiles. The first, a surface-to-surface missile with an estimated range of 2,500 kilometers, could potentially be inducted into service as early as 2024-25. The second variant is expected to be a scramjet-based cruise vehicle capable of mid-air maneuvers at speeds exceeding Mach 5, mounted on an IRBM or ICBM ballistic missile with a range of up to 2,000 kilometers. This unique combination would make the missile extremely difficult to track and intercept by conventional air defense systems. Israeli sighting specialist Meprolight has opened a new assembly line in India in cooperation with local firm RRP S4E Innovation. The assembly line will produce a range of military standard and battle-proven products. The Mepro MOR, which is a versatile reflex sight for day, low light and night operations with integrated laser pointers. The Mepro M5, a red dot sight with multiple brightness levels and night vision goggles compatibility, and the Mepro M21, a self-illuminated reflex sight utilizing fiber optic and tritium technology, ensuring continuous operations without batteries. This collaboration marks the company's unwavering commitment to serving India's defense forces with cutting-edge technology and innovative products. As part of the renowned SK Group, Meprolight has operated in India for over 17 years, providing advanced solutions for various governmental customers. Meprolight's high-performance products from optical sights, self-illuminated firearm sights, and night vision systems to thermal devices have consistently proven themselves in combat and continue to serve the nation's soldiers in challenging operational environments. RRP4 RRPS4E focuses on mechanical components boasting an astonishing 1 micron tolerance and optical elements featuring an exquisite 3 nm surface finish. Their core areas include electro-optics, developing lightweight drone cameras, cutting-edge counter-drone systems, and VTOL technologies through the Make in India initiative. The Aeronautical Development Agency has invited Indian private companies to participate in the manufacturing of critical structural assemblies. This initiative is part of a broader effort to leverage the capabilities of the private sector in coordination with public sector firms to enhance India's defense capabilities. The expression of interest issued by ADA encompasses the manufacture of structural assemblies, either in part or in full, for various aircraft programs including the LCA-AF Mark II, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, and twin-engine deck-based fighter. These assemblies, which include the front fuselage, center fuselage, rear fuselage, wings, vertical tails, canards, and horizontal tails, are integral to the structural integrity and performance of the aircraft. By outsourcing the production of these assemblies to capable Indian private companies, ADA aims to speed up production, improve efficiency, and ensure a more scalable manufacturing process. In the global news, as the Australian Army reconfigures itself to incorporate unmanned ground vehicles, BAE Systems finds an opening for its new Atlas 8x8 vehicle. The name is short for Autonomous Tactical Light Armored System, and the company executives unveiled a collaborative combat version of the vehicle at the Land Forces 2024 exhibition. The show ride was armed with a Bushmaster 25 cannon, but other possibilities include larger caliber weapons, mortars, anti-tank guided missiles, loitering munition launchers, and surveillance sensors. To evaluate new technologies such as unmanned ground vehicles, drones, robotics, and counter-drone systems, the Australian Army is converting the Adelaide-based 1st Armoured Regiment into a test and experimental unit. Rheinmetall and MBDA Germany have solidified their ongoing collaboration in laser weapon technology by signing a new cooperation agreement to advance maritime defense systems. This strategic partnership focuses on developing a state-of-the-art military laser weapon system which is expected to enter the market within 5 to 6 years. Both companies believe that their complementary expertise will enable them to create an advanced solution to combat emerging threats, particularly the increasing use of drones in naval operations. L3Harris Technologies has commenced production of its Viper Shield electronic warfare system, designed for the new F-16 Block fighter jets destined for international customers. The Viper Shield is integrated with the F-16's APG-83 ISA radar, providing advanced threat detection and jamming capabilities, significantly enhancing the aircraft's self-defense capabilities. Lithuania and Northrop Grumman inked a memorandum of understanding committing the U.S. manufacturer to support local suppliers in the production of medium caliber ammunition for infantry fighting vehicles. In a company statement, Northrop said that the new pact allows it to share technologies and advanced manufacturing expertise with Lithuanian industry consistent with United States policy. The firm added that helping allies indigenous defense industrial capabilities is key to replenishing stockpiles and enhancing the munition supply chains amid demand for artillery shells spiking dramatically in response to the Ukraine war. General Dynamics awarded Austal USA a $450 million contract to expand infrastructure at its Mobile shipyard for Virginia and Columbia-class submarine construction. The contract will include designing and building a new module, fabrication, and outfitting facility, which will begin construction this fall and is expected to be completed in 2026. Once fully operational, the new facility is expected to support approximately 1,000 new jobs at the shipyard. In its first large stride in the space domain, Edge Group launched a new company dubbed FADA to spur the country's defense-related space sector. Named FADA, the Arabic word for space, the new entity is expected to help build a national space sector to support the country's requirements and will expand international partnerships to benefit from the transfer of technology and transfer of knowledge. FADA will establish state-of-the-art facilities for the development, manufacturing, assembly, integration, and testing of various satellite systems and subsystems, serving as a one-stop shop for all space-related activities and providing end-to-end solutions and services to local and international customers, including synthetic aperture radar, optical and infrared payloads, as well as satellite platforms and satellite cybersecurity and protection services, in addition to other space activities. The French Defense Innovation Agency AID, together with a small French company Skylabs, have succeeded in establishing a high-speed optical satellite communication between a nanosatellite in low orbit and a commercial optical ground station, a feat that they claim is the world's first. The Skylab's ground station is a white dome that measures around 4 meters in diameter with a large telescope that sticks out of it. The technology lies in the way the light is treated once it's entered the telescope. The laser communication terminal aboard the nanosatellite, made by Unseen Labs, another small French company, also is an off-the-shelf product. These terminals are sold by lots of companies and are all required to be interoperable. Edge Group has signed a strategic partnership contract with the Brazilian Navy to complete the full development of the Navy's National Anti-Ship Missile MANSUP by the end of 2025. Under the contract, Edge Group and SEAT, Brazil's leading smart weapons specialist, will provide the necessary resources to ensure that MANSUP is delivered in time for integration on the Navy's new Tamandare class of stealth frigates. The contract also provides the framework for Edge Group to utilize the MANSUP technology and technical data in the development of the MANSUP ER, that is extended range. Subaru Corporation has won a contract to produce a new batch of Fuji T5 turboprop primary military training aircraft for the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force. In its business case to the government for the procurement, the Japanese Ministry of Defense said that it requires 30 new T5s to maintain the necessary training capacity of the JMSDF. The contract, which was awarded to Subaru in July, has an initial value of $53 million, according to the MOD's Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency, ATLA. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.